So, you're ready to build your AI agent on tochat, but you're stuck at this box, the Gemini API Key. Don't worry, this is the engine of your car, and Google gives it away for free. Let's get yours in under 60 seconds. First, go to aistudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, look for the button that says Get API Key. Click Create API Key. You'll see a few options. Simply select Create API Key in New Project. Google will take a second to set up your project, and boom, there is your key. Click the copy button right here. Treat this like a password. Don't share it with anyone. Now, head back to your tochat dashboard. Paste that key directly into the Gemini API Key field. Click Submit, and that's it. You've just connected your agent to one of the smartest AI brains in the world.